One thing about me, baby, I am real and I am not faking it, honey. Everything you see is real. You ain't got no tea, baby. I gave it to you, okay? I'm up here telling y'all everything. I told y'all when I went to jail. I told you when I broke up with that nigga and tried to stab him. I told you everything. I don't care. I do not care. I have nothing to hide. I told y'all when I decided to give my life to Christ. And I also told you that I still was going to act ghetto and shake my booty in the streets. I told you everything. So if you up here thinking you going to judge me or make me feel bad or shame me, you can't, because I pray every night and I pray over my food every day. So I still feel like I am the best. I am his favorite. Okay? Good night.